Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto caption on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add the video that you want to edit, this one. And in here, I wanna add auto caption on this video, so you just click on the text. And then in here, you just click on the auto caption, this one. And click add auto caption. This is good for you to make the lyric music like this. Nah, iPhone your is perfect like this. The caption again, yes, please waiting. And then yeah, finished. So that's how to add auto caption on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.